our chemical-free kitchen kit, which has a numerous 1 glove and 3 different cloths. These cloths are to do different jobs in the kitchen. The Max 6 glove is for doing Caesar stone or any form of stone bench tops. It's for doing all the finger marks and grime that you get around your drawers and cupboards, which could be 2-pack or any type of kitchen cabinets that you have. Just using water, no chemical, which damages the surfaces. Then we have the Ultra cloth. This is the heavy duty grease one, and it fits on your hand very easily, so you can do your range hood, you can do over top of your cupboards, you can do your pots, your pans, inside your stove. This will absorb all the grease into the fabric. Of course, you need to dry off. We've got a Star Polish cloth, which is a heavy piled denier microfiber cloth for drying off, shining up those stainless steel, and don't forget anywhere that you want to have little finger marks. The latest and the newest of the kitchen cloth, this will do in your sink, in your glasses, and it absorbs the fat into the fabric. And it's got little prickles on it. Can you hear that? The prickles are like scrubbing brushes. And then we've got our kitchen bench cloth, which is called our Sapphire. We wet it, we fold it into 4 ways. It will pick up crumbs, it'll pick up coffee, it'll pick up all the little bits and pieces that you have on your kitchen benches or anywhere in your kitchen. And then of course, you do need some form of detergent. We have our pH neutral protective formula in a roll. You can get it as well in a 500ml bottle. And you rub it on your cloth and you clean out all your sinks, and you rub it together and you can clean out your cloths as well. And mind you, you don't get those dry hands, so you don't need gloves, because it's pH neutral and it's made of a vegetable base and glycerine, and that puts the moisture back into your hands, protects the fibres, as well as shines up your surfaces.